What's up, everybody? This your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell. So whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on. And hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle. King Hussle X1M, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, the Hussle Family, Turn Motivation into Means, and Dog Pound Exotic Pups. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. I got a lot of fake King Hussle pages out here scamming people, so please get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you see this face. Make sure you're doing legit business and you're getting what you paid for, all right? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only, not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. So, like I've been telling y'all, it's tax time. It's a lot of tax credits going out. It's a lot of loans going out. It's a lot of credit cards being approved for. It's a lot of money being shifted around this time, all right? And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get a $250,000 loan with just an EIN number only, all right? And a lot of people don't know that you can get an EIN number without an LLC, but you can. And I'm going to tell you and show you where to go so you can get your EIN $250,000 loan. All right, so let's get into it. So today, a lot of people want money. A lot of people need money. A lot of people want to start businesses. A lot of people want to do a lot of frivolous things with the money. All right, so when it comes to getting these EIN number only loans, it's not hard. So what the first thing you need to do is you need to understand that, okay, this is going to be on the business side, not the personal side. So you got to know that this is not no personal loan. This is not none of that. This is a $250,000 business loan, and it works for bad credit. So if you're somebody using yourself as a personal guarantor, they work with people with 500 credit scores. All right, so if your personal guarantor person has a 500 credit score or yourself has a 500 or better credit score, they work with you. If you have a LLC or EIN number that's been valid for at least 6 months, they work with you. All right, so this is a hidden gem. A lot of people know about it in the business world. A lot of people take advantage of it in the business world. And today I'm going to present it to you. All right. So today we're going to be talking about SBG Funding, and they're giving out a $250,000 with just an EIN number only. And we all know you can get an EIN number without having your LLC yet. All right. So today I'm going to show you where to go, how to do it, how to get paid. All right. So without further ado, let's check it out. All right, so when it comes to getting your EIN only $250,000 loan, the first thing you need to do is have an EIN number, right? So you want to go to the IRS.gov, business, small business, self-employed, apply for an employer identification number, EIN, online. All right, so once you do, step one, determine your eligibility. You may apply for an EIN number online if your principal business is located in the United States or U.S. territories. The person applying for the online must have a valid taxpayer identification number, SSN, ITIN, EIN. You are limited to one EIN per responsible party per day. All right, so you're going to make one EIN number per day. All right, the responsible party is the person who ultimately owns or controls the entity or who exercises the ultimate effective control over the entity. Unless the applicant is a government entity, the responsible party must be an individual, i.e. a natural person, not an entity. All right, so you can't put a business in another business name. Step two, understand the online application. You must complete this application in one session, as you will not be able to save and return at a later time. Your session will expire after 15 minutes in inactivity, and you will need to start over. So step three, submit your application. After all validations are done, you will get your EIN number immediately upon completion. You can then download, save, and print your EIN confirmation notice. All right, so some people use their CPN to register their EIN number. Some people don't. All right, so once you do all that, you go right here to click on apply now, and you will apply for your EIN number. All right, so the purpose of an employee identification number, employee identification numbers are issued for the purpose of tax administration and are not intended for participation in any other activities, e.g. tax lien, auction, or sales lotteries. All right, so exempt organization information just tells you and gives you information about the EIN. All right, so once you do all that, once you got all of this completed right here and you got your EIN number, then you want to go over to you want to go to SBG Funding. All right, so this is the site right here. Get .sbgfunding.com. Get funding. All right, so flexible business financing with a small day funding. Work with one point of contact from start to finish. All right, low rate lines of credit up to $500,000. Convenient business term loans from $5K to $5 million. All right, so talk to the dedicated rep. An SBG rep will contact you to verify your information and confirm you meet minimum qualifications. Submit your application, fill out and submit your official application. We'll then share all your loan options with you. Get approved and funded in as little as 24 hours or less for ultra fast access to cash. All right, so super fast funding instead of waiting weeks or months with a regular bank access funds as fast as the same day. Rates starting as low as 1.75% per month. Save thousands by finding the right program with the lowest rates for your business. Simple qualifications. All you need to qualify with us is 6 months in business, over $2,500,000 in annual revenue, a 500 plus FICO score, and 4 business bank statements. All right. So then, low interest rates, convenient process, wide range of products. All right. So boom. When it comes to over 24, when it says over 200, $250,000 in annual revenue, so they want your Schedule C, right? This is your Schedule C. So let's say you want your John Smith, right? Let's make it look good. John Smith, right? And I'm doing this like I'm making this right now, right? Let's say your social security number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? So boom. That's what like, well, I'm making this right here, right? You know what I mean? So this is for last year's taxes, right? And you just go out and you fill it out, right? And this is the second part that you fill out. Once you're done, they print it and they'll send it to you, easy as that, right? So this is how you fill in the information to let them know that you make $250,000 on your business, right? Then FICO score, y'all already know about the trade lines and all that. And the 4 business statements, they got the ADP payroll provider. So basically what you're gonna do is get you the ADP payroll provider, run all your business transactions through the ADP payroll provider. Once you run all your business transactions through the ADP payroll provider, you will be getting checks and check stubs. Take that to your bank, your deposit into your business bank account, and there you go for bank statements right there. All right, so it's not hard. Just gotta know what you're doing. You gotta have the right information. EIN number only, and it says right here, you can get paid, get $250,000 for sure, easily. They're giving out over $5 million, up to $5 million on loans. $250,000 is way easier, or you can get less. You know what I'm saying? Depending on what numbers you got. All right, so SBG Funding, bad credit, and they working with bad credit, a 500 FICO score better, simple qualifications, nothing too major, CPN friendly. All right, so SBG Funding, small business growth. You somebody looking to get a loan, a high limit loan with just the EIN number only, check them out. This might be right for you. All right, so without further ado, let's talk about the SBG Funding with just the EIN number only and bad credit. All right, there you guys got it. SBG Funding. They're giving up to $5 million with just the EIN number only. All right, now I'm going to tell you like this. You want to get more money, you're going to have to know how, you're going to have to know how to fix your credit and all that, and credit profile, and because they're going to be checking for more things, all right? But if you want the lower limits, it's going to be easier. They're CPN friendly. You can get an EIN number. Once you get your EIN number, make sure you got a business bank account. Make sure you got your ADP payroll provider so you can get your bank statements, your business bank statements for them, and you'll be easy. You'll be good to go. All right. So anybody out there looking to get that bag, make sure y'all tap in with SBG Funding. I showed y'all what they're gonna be looking for. I showed y'all everything that you'll need to get approved. All right. So like I said, don't just be like, oh, I'm gonna get an EIN number and then go try to get this loan. No. Get your LLC, Don't just have an EIN number, but an EIN number is free. Some people get their EIN numbers first, but get your LLC, get your EIN number. Add some business credit to it because you got to be in business for at least 6 months. You got to have an EIN number, or LLC for at least 6 months. If you don't got that for at least 6 months, it's not going to work. So if you think you finna just open up a business bank account and all that, and then try to go apply today, and it's not going to work. 6 months, all right? 6 months from now, it's going to be July. Summertime could be yours. Summertime, you can have a lot of fun if you get your documents and things in order now. But if you have a business that's been open for more than 6 months, go handle your business and get paid. All right, so shout out to all my real King Hussle fans, supporters, subscribers, new and old. Without y'all, there'd be no me. You'll motivate me to keep going. You'll motivate me to keep dropping this fire sauce. And you'll motivate me to keep y'all entertained. So shout out to y'all. Anybody out there looking to get their FaceTime Unlimited Gems, you want to learn all this good information. You want to learn how to start making money. You want to learn how to work smarter and not harder. You want to learn how to make $50,000 a month. You want to learn how to make $1,000 a day sitting in a chair like this. You want to learn how to make passive income off YouTube. You want to learn all the gems. You want to learn about the dark web. You want to learn about so much more. Tap in right now. FaceTime 101 Unlimited Gems is $600. But they will be going back to regular prices real soon, which is $1,200. So do not miss out on this opportunity. Cashapp or Bitcoin payment. Once the $600 is on your Cashapp or Bitcoin balance, send me the screenshot. Let me know your payment ready, and we will go from there. I do not answer quick questions or free questions, all right? I got too many people tapping in, paying for lessons, investing in themselves, all right? So I don't have time to be giving people free info. The most free information you'll get is on YouTube, all right? So you want free sauce, free gems, tap into this YouTube. But if you a real fan or somebody like that, tap in for these free methods. But tap in and get y'all sauce, because I can't answer too many free questions all the time because people are really paying for this information, and it just wouldn't make sense. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in. But if you want to tap in on the crypto tour and get this information in person, hands-on, really learn how to start making this money, because you will start making money once you leave that lesson. So we're going to learn how to work smarter and not harder. Everybody want to be monkey see, monkey do, but I'm going to show you how this game really go. How to really start making money, because credit is the #1 money game in the world. And it's a lot of different things that you need to know that can have you successful when it comes to making money with methods and anything, all right? So make sure you're tapping in with the in-person, with the crypto tour in-person Unlimited Gems. You come in state to me, it's going to be $4,500. If I got to come out of state to you, it's going to be $5,500. And you got to pay for my flight and hotel, all right? So $500 deposit, the rest of the money will be in person. Book y'all see right now in the crypto tour, and you will get a free World Tour t-shirt, all right? Also, anybody looking to get the 8 instant cash out methods, any type of sauce, any type of deals, tap into my Telegram right now, all right? Wealth and Riches. The link is in my community post and in all my description and in the bio, all right? So you want the 8 instant cash out methods plus 2 free live cards, cash out methods, Bitcoin methods, all type of methods, all that. You ready to get rich? Tap in right now. Make sure when you write me, you sending me the screenshot, you being payment ready for whatever you want. If you do not send me the screenshot, you yoing me and all that, and please stop yoing me. I hate that. Please stop yoing me when y'all contact me. That is very irritating. Very, very, very irritating. If you're not sending me a screenshot when you write me, you might as well not contact me, because I'm not going to respond. So, no reason to take a chance to see if I'm going to respond, because I'm not. Send me them screenshots. Y'all already know what the deal is. If you're not sending me them screenshots, no response. All right, so make sure y'all tapping into the Telegram. Come get paid. Come get rich. Financial Freedom University. Still looking for people for the production company, too. We back at it. I'm back signing people. I'm looking for people to get their chain, get their watch, get some money. Let's run it up. I'm looking for actors, rappers, singers, models, producers, cameramen, or women for the production company. All right, so if you somebody to feel you got some talent and you ready to elevate your talent, you ready to get into this entertainment business, tap in. Let's win. Teamwork make the dream work. All right, so you a rapper or singer, tap in. You got music videos out. You got views. You got a decent little fan base. Let's see what you got. Music reviews is $100. Any beautiful ladies out there, any models, young or old, tap in. Any entertainers. If you ready to put yourself in a position to win, if you ready to put yourself in a position to get your brand and your platform out there and to grow it, if you ready to really be somebody important, if you really believe in yourself, got ambition, dedication, and you just know you can do it, tap in. But if you got a bad attitude, if we can't learn from each other, if we can't build off of each other, if we can't make teamwork make the dream work, I don't want to deal with you at all. There's too many people out here that's ready and willing to work and learn something new, all right? Let me put you in all the right positions to win. And like I said, this is a production company. Everything is not meant for everybody, but we're going to find what's meant for you. You might do skits, blogs, interaction with the fans, podcasts, music video, modeling, traveling. We're going to do all that. So we're going to find what's best for you, and we're going to make it work, and we're going to get paid. Content equals views, views equals money. Easy as that, all right? So tap in all my beautiful ladies out there, any models out there, all right? Anybody in the Houston, Texas, the Milwaukee, Wisconsin, in the Phoenix, Arizona area that is ready to learn something new. I need a cameraman or woman. If you're ready to learn about a camera and hold a camera and start being a cameraman or woman and start getting paid, tap in. All I need you to do is hold a camera right now. That's all I need you to do. Is learn the camera and hold it. Get the right shots and all that. Editing will come. I got a team of editors already, so I don't really need you for editing. But all I need you to do is hold the camera, learn how to hold a stabilizer, learn how to work a stabilizer for music videos, skits, when we traveling, all that. All right, so I'm looking for cameraman or woman for the team. Like I said, I'm looking for actors, rappers, singers, models, producers, cameraman or women for the Hussle Nation Empire production team. We're going to be doing a lot of content, having a lot of fun, doing a lot of traveling, and making a lot of money. So if you feel like you're ready for that, tap in. And y'all know how to get down to any of these videos. I'll see you at the next. Peace.